Here we have the Cross Benjamin Trail Nitro Piston, marketed as the first Nitro Piston pistol in America or the US or in the worldwide, I don't know. But they sell them for about $68 to $72. One pump. Pretty cool looking little cross shooter. Across the creek at least for $177. I bought one. Opened today, trout, 2016, Pennsylvania. Figured I'd bring something out to have fun when fish weren't biting. And I did. Nice little plinker, I guess, for a short range. We're gonna take a shot with it real quick. It shoots high. When I got it, the back sights were way jacked up back here. So I moved them up. Everything's adjustable. I'll show you how hard it is to pump. It comes with a cock assist. I mean, it works. Or you could just muscle yourself right here. Let me show you how this is done. Not too shabby. And then you load it. I'm gonna grab a pellet here. The best pellets or the most punch that I have found were the Crossman Hollow Point. Crossman Magnums hit, they don't penetrate, and then we have these red fires. These are like $7 for whatever, 250 of them. They punch, but nothing's as hardworking as the Magnum Hollow Point. Put the pellet right in there. Yoink. Use the cock assist to cock it. Or you can just hit it up yourself. Be careful. And then you're all about timing. Bullseye. We're going to shoot a Bud Light can because we've had enough of them tonight. It's going down for real. Congratulations, Villanova. You pulled one off tonight. I clipped it. Not too bad. Let's lay it down, see if I can clip the bottom of it like that. Oh wait, I still have to pump it, load it. Then again, you can use a cocking sleeve, keep this on, it really doesn't muffle the sound at all. Or you can just grab it like this. Pretty easy. We'll grab a red fire this time. See if this could punch through that can. It's got a little weight to it, a little girth. But then again, it is the first Nitro Piston gun available to the US market. Still made in China. I don't know if you can see that, but made in China, 177. And a hard-hitting little piston air rifle. Smoked it. Now that can be pretty accurate. If you're killing frogs, that's your game. I don't know. Till next time, keep on plinking 177. Good times.